Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 start menu not opening. Well, it's a very simple process to fix this problem. First, you have to press on your keyboard Control, Shift and Escape. It will going to open your task manager. Into the task manager, first you have to maximize it and then search for File Explorer. Here is the File Explorer, you can see. Just click on it and restart it. And then simply check your problem is solved or not. If it not solved yet, then what you can do, you can simply click on this run new task and then here check this box, create this task with administrative privileges, and here simply type cmd, and here is your command prompt is slightly opened, and from here you can first type sfc space / scan. Now click enter. This scan can take 4 or 5 minutes. After complete the scan, then you can simply restart your PC and that will going to fix your problem. So yeah, this is how you can simply fix your problem. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.